I've been managing Douglas Village Shopping Centre for nearly the last 15 years. It's quite amazing to see how technology can make our job better and actually easier. We had an opportunity recently to upgrade our system as a part of the shopping centre rebuild, and we've been working with RPC consultants and also with SenSys for many years now at this point. But this time we've decided we really wanted to take things to another level technology-wise.
This is a very interesting project to be involved in, with over 500 devices on site. I've been involved in connecting most of them: access control, intruder alarm, CCTV, intercom system, AMPR, footfall, digital signage, phone systems, Wi-Fi, car park barrier and automatic doors.
Although we're the second oldest shopping centre in the country, we're probably one of the most modern in terms of technology, and we always want to stay ahead of the times. And we feel that the partners that we have with us on our journey are the ones who can help us do it.